Okay, here's my layout of the radio control lawnmower. So there's the H bridge, there's the Arduino, and then there's a little inverter chip that takes the Arduino outputs and comes up with a basically a two-piece output where one's inverted from the other to run the H bridge. And there's a couple H bridge chips, if you can see them in there. Right there, right there. So I use the Arduino output to drive those H bridge chips. There's my futaba receiver, and then this guy. And oh, by the way, that's Woodford double oaked bourbon. Awesome stuff. And so if I push this guy forward, you should see both of those move. Back up here. Okay, and then if I move them backwards, they should see them move the other way. And then if I move it to the right, and then move it to the left. So it says basically it's like a tank steering, but a single joystick. So I don't know. I'll have to put a tack on it to see how fast it's going, but I think it should be fast enough for a lawnmower. So anyway, just proof that that works.